We all know how frustrating it is to wait in long lines at Disneyland, right? But what if you could skip all those waits and enjoy more fun? The Lightning Lane lets you do just that. So here's how to make the most of it, okay? First, you're gonna download the Disneyland app and you're gonna check out the Genie Plus service, okay? The Genie Plus service, which gives you access to the Lightning Lane. Second, you're gonna plan your day by picking the best rides to use your Lightning Lane. So big rides like Space Mountain and Indiana Jones are perfect. Third, make sure that you reserve your spots early. The popular rides fill up fast, so don't wait for those. You should start with them. Fourth, try using the tip board, okay? The tip board feature on the app to see which rides have shorter Lightning Lane waits, okay? Fifth thing, keep an eye out on your phone. If a Lightning Lane spot becomes available sooner than expected, grab it quickly. Now with these tips, you're gonna get to enjoy Disneyland without the long lines. So now go ahead, take action. Your adventure awaits. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.